crave for kimchi jjigae after watching Korean drama, and then you think of purchasing it, but it's too expensive, or you want to cook by yourself, but you're afraid that it's failure, let's cook kimchi jjigae with KK TV. So I think Jjigae would have all these Korean ingredients. So here I got the soft tofu, and I just follow my Korean sajangnim recipe to buy the ingredients. And I'm supposed to get the green onion, but spring onion also can. And for the onion, we will use Holland Onion. Yeah, the yellow one. And of course, kimchi jjigae, the most important ingredient, the kimchi. Yes. There are so many options. There are so many types of kimchi, and I'm not sure which one is suitable actually. So I grab all. So don't follow me, guys. One pack is about 24 ringgit already. Yeah, you have this radish kimchi or pogi kimchi. So I ask my boss later. So this one I'm not sure. Just buy one gochujang. And apparently Korean doesn't like the chunky tuna, and this brand is their favorite. So if you are a Muslim, you can try this. Gangchu. If you want to buy, check out the link in bio. So here, let's go. Because I bought too many kimchi. You want me to explain the difference? If yes, leave the comment below, okay? So we'll be using this pogi kimchi. It's a whole cabbage. Ingredients: soft tofu, cut it as big as this, and the half of Holland onion and spring onion, chop it down. And then don't forget the gochugaru. Yes, not gochujang, I'm wrong just now. Get the red chili flakes, and then for the additional flavor, the shrimp sauce and fish sauce. Shrimp sauce is actually chinchalo. And then first thing first, you get the juice from the kimchi. For store-bought kimchi like this is actually not fermented enough. Not enough sour lah. So as Malaysian is already hot, so we need to keep outside for at least half a day. And then you need to cut the kimchi in bite sizes like this. Heat up the pot with medium heat. We are using a Panasonic induction cooker here. And then you need to get the oil from the tuna, but yeah, don't do this. I repeat again. You need to heat up the pot with the oil from the pressed tuna. You should not heat up an empty pot on induction cooker, okay? Induction cooker get hot faster. So stir fry the kimchi and Holland onion together with the oil from the tuna. You can use olive oil if you use different kind of tuna. And for this, you stir fry for about 5 to 7 minutes or until the kimchi is softened. And then you pour the water, 1 or until 2 cups of water, and continue cooking for 5 minutes. And then reduce the heat. After that, reduce the heat. And cover the pot and let it boil for about 10 until 15 minutes more. After that, you use 1 until 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Some people use soy sauce, but we don't, because it made the broth darker using that. So this is enough. And use anchovy paste or this cube also can, but this is only optional, okay? drop in the tofu, tuna, and spring onion all together, and also add the shrimp sauce, or we call Malaysian called cincalo. Close the lid and let it boil until the tofu is cool for about 5 minutes more. Don't forget Gochugaru. This is what will make the broth red, but the spiciness is mild only. You can add chili padi for added spiciness. That's all. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for this kimchi explanation video. Want you